Hello viewers and friends. Today we are at Campbell Airport with the boys and we're putting together the biplane. Stay tuned. The last thing I need right now is another airplane, but if I'm one thing, I'm a sucker for a deal. At least what I think is a good deal. When the owner of this biplane named a price that I could not refuse, we had to go pick it up. No, it didn't fly, and nope, it didn't run either. One step at a time. Let's put it back together and see what we got.
Yo! Sweet baby.
Well, we got it back all safe, we got it all put together, but there's still a lot of questions yet to be solved. Will it start? Will it fly? What are we going to do with this thing and how much money is it going to cost me? Big thanks to the boys for helping out, and we'll get to the rest of those questions in the next videos.